Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the tablet. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the tablet. Before you begin, remove the back cover, wireless WAN module if installed, left speaker, proximity sensor antenna, audio board, front-facing webcam, rear-facing webcam, wireless LAN antenna cables, aux wireless WAN antenna cable, system board, right speaker, middle frame, external buttons, and LCD trim. Removal: slide the POGO connector out of the cutout in the LCD trim and remove. Replacement: insert the POGO connector into the cutout in the LCD trim.